So approximately 8:15 this morning, we received information that Samuel Edwards' vehicle was possibly in the area where we're at now here at 31W Installation in Millersville. Officers were dispatched. We got up here, was able to verify that that actually was the vehicle. Some video footage from the business where the vehicle's at showed the suspect vehicle showing up around 9:30 last night. At that point, we started notifying everybody, and at that point, we were able to get Metro Aviation Unit to assist us, along with some canine tracking dogs. We were able to track, the dogs were able to get a scent from our location here at 31W, actually all the way down to about the 103 mile marker on I-65.
Any idea where he is now, what you guys picked up, what's next?
So he has not been located yet. We're not sure if somebody may have picked him up. It's a possibility, but we were just trying to follow all leads.
Yeah, I do want to add something.
Yeah. So we're just trying to follow all leads to try to locate Mr. Edwards and make sure that he's in custody.
Were the guns found inside the truck? Or
There were no weapons found inside the vehicle. No.
So you believe he's still armed and dangerous?
It's a possibility that he is still armed and dangerous. Yes.
Do people in the area still need to be aware?
So we've sent out an alert, a red alert to everybody. It is a possibility that he is still in the area. The dogs lost scent around the 103 and weren't able to pick that scent back up. So it's a possibility that he could have gotten in a vehicle in that area.
How far is that from here?
It's about 2 miles, roughly 2 miles.
Walked to that area, or did someone pick him up from this parking lot?
It's like I said, the dogs were able to get a good track. The canine handler said that the scent was a strong lead. Like I said, we were able to follow that scent behind us here down towards the on ramp on I-65, and then approximately about a mile down from that is where the scent ended.
Talk about the manpower and the terrain. A lot of agencies were involved
Sure.
in this. A lot of folks in the interstate saw guns drawn, dogs
Sure.
sniffing the area. I heard it was a pretty intense hike up there. Can you talk a little bit about the people that?
Yeah, so it's pretty rough back there. It's a really thick wooded area. We were just basically following the dog. The dog had the scent, so where the dog went, we went. We were able to feel like we were able to cover the area pretty well. The area, like I said, is very, very thick. Lots of briars, lots of thick shrubs, trees. Once we cleared the area and felt that we had covered everywhere that we needed to cover, we decided to pull out.
Do we know if he is wearing the same clothes from last night? Were you able to get an image from a nearby?
We weren't able to get any images so far. No.
You have confirmed that truck was stolen, right?
That truck was stolen. Yes, correct.
I would like to add Chief Dustin Carr, DUSTINCARR. Yeah, absolutely. I would like to add that the reason we felt so strongly about searching that area and shutting the interstate down is we actually had 2 separate dogs follow the same track at different times. So we're very confident that he did follow that track. He went up the southbound ramp on I-65 down the interstate near the bottom of the ridge where the dog tracked him up it's a logging road that goes in the center of the interstate. So our officers followed that logging road up and searched that area very thoroughly. And Captain Allred was one of those officers that was searching. He may want to add anything on that, but I do want to just reiterate: two separate dogs followed the same track, so we're confident he was in the area. We since received information that we believe he's no longer in our immediate area. However, we're still asking the citizens to remain vigilant. Lock their doors. If they see anything suspicious, give us a call.
Can you again touch on the manpower that was used to search?
Yeah, absolutely.
On the interstate and different agencies that were
Sumner County Sheriff's Office, Robertson County Sheriff's Office, Tennessee Highway Patrol, Metro Police, Hendersonville Police. We were all involved in this. I would say approximately 30 to 40 law enforcement officers were up here at one point searching the area.
Was there anything in that search, clothing, a bag of chips, or anything that could be evidence?
Anything inside the truck?
The truck, we didn't process that scene. Other agencies did, so you'd have to refer to them on that.
We just got a TBI alert again.
Right.
Did you guys request that be sent out again, or?
I've been in communication with the agents with the TBI most of the day. I wasn't aware that was about to come out. However, it's accurate information.
Is there a fear that maybe somebody saw him on the side of the road and may have just
That's absolutely a possibility. Someone may have saw him, picked him up, and if that's the case, if anyone did pick up a hitchhiker, between last night and today, that matches the description, please give us a call.
Anything else?
Would you like to add
And for
anything?
just accuracy, is this Millersville?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Are any other agencies continuing to stay in this area? How much did tips play a role in tracking any of this? And you mentioned you all believe he's not in the immediate area anymore, so it appears that you're still getting tips.
Captain Allred, ALRED. We're receiving lots and lots of calls still coming in, checking, lawnmower sheds, or checking someone's house that's not home, checking someone walking down the road. We're handling that as fast and as quick as we can. It's kind of overwhelming for the patrol guys and everybody else. But as far as him being in the area, we've received good information that he is no longer in this immediate area. The track was very difficult. The guys behind me and myself and several others that aren't here done that as slow and as methodical as we could to, determine he was not there. And once the track was complete, the dog stopped moving. Where it come out, the dog come out, it showed us that he probably got a ride.
What's next for you guys at this point?
A shower.
So we're talking about three counties being involved: Davidson, Sumner, Robertson. Who is the lead on this shooting? Who is the point of contact?
Yeah, that would probably be Hendersonville, considering it's their officer. And TBI is probably very much involved with that. However, we just took what we had as our part today and ran with it.
Do we have an update on the officer's condition?
I believe he was released today. I asked the chief that actually, and he was looking for him to be released from the hospital, which is wonderful.
So this,
I would confirm
is
that
the
with
search
Hendersonville,
off for
however.
you guys? The search is off for Millersville.
Yes, at this point in time, we're completed our search.
We're going to have officers on duty in the area responding to any sort of calls we may receive of possible sightings or suspicious incidents or anything like that. However, the active search is no longer going to continue.
Thank you
all
so
so
we
much.
appreciate
Thank you, guys.
it. Thank you.